Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2021 Nissan Qashqai S. This one-owner, accident-free, all-wheel drive SUV is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 1-speed CVT transmission that can get you just 8 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, including additional cargo cubbies on each side. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express up and down on the driver's window. On the dash is your traction control, parking sensors, all-wheel drive, center diff lock, sport mode, and eco mode. The steering wheel has your hands-free audio as well as your cruise control. This vehicle currently has 32,912 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go. Your climate controls, power ports, gear select, as well as heated front seats. The seats are also this nice premium cloth. For the back of the interior, you have 60/40 split folding rear seats, as well as air conditioning for the back seats. If you'd like to see this 2021 Nissan Qashqai S in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.